Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is Speech on Kashmir Day. Number 1 line. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Number 2. Today we are here to observe Kashmir Day. Number 3. Kashmir Day is observed on 5th February. Number 4. This day reminds us of the sacrifices of Kashmiri people. Number 5. Kashmir is known for its beautiful mountains and valleys. Number 6. The people of Kashmir are brave and peaceful. Number 7. We pray for peace and justice for Kashmir. Number 8. We should in support of our Kashmiri brothers and sisters. Number 9. Let us always raise our voice for truth and humanity. Number 10. Thank you and Pakistan Zindabad. Dear friends, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.